Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate you how to clean the windshield under $10. So in here I got a 2000 grit sandpaper and the glass cleaner and the blade razor. So as you can see on the left side I pretty much already cleaned it up, but I still need to clean it from inside. So and maybe I need to clean it a couple more times, but on the left side is much more cleaner and clear than the right side. As you can see on the right side, all this so this car has been sitting outside for like 10 years. I recently purchased it. Right now I'm doing the restoring, so let's begin the process. So first I will spray the glass cleaner on the top of the windshield. You can use the soapy water as well. Okay, so and then I'm going to scrape it just to remove any hardening residuals on the glass. Like make sure it's all smooth, then we can set it down. You can do this without the glass cleaner. You can use the soapy water. That one works too, or anything that is liquid. And using the razor blade, scraping it, be carefully. Usually the razor blade won't scratch the glass unless you like cut it 90-degree angle. And so right now it's pretty much, I take out all the residuals, but once it's all dry, it's looking blurry. So let me find a clean towel. Alright, so once I clean it up, and you can still see this is pretty rough compared to the left side. So now I'm going to sand it down once again with a 2000 grit sandpaper. Spray it down. You can use the soapy water too, or maybe like you can use the dishwasher. I mean, you can use the dish soap, any soap. So just pretty much sand it down, and it won't leave any scratch in because it's 2000 grit. So if you're doing this at home, you probably only need a 2000 grit sandpaper, or even if you have it at home, and when you are scraping this, just be careful with the paint. Alright, so use a finger as a line so it won't scratch the paint. And if you already have the 2000 grit sandpaper at home, then you don't need to buy anything. Pretty much you can use soap water, that works too. So doing it, scrape it down until you don't feel any resistance. So right now it's pretty much smooth. You don't need to buy any polish compound or anything that was designed for the glass unless you want to. Alright, so doing this is very affordable and efficient at home. I was using the random orbital polisher, but that one, it does not work as good as the sandpaper itself. So now just pretty much wipe it down. And I need to clean it from the inside too, but for now I'm just going to clean the outside. You can do this multiple times, or if you're doing it real good, maybe one time is fine, or maybe 2-3 times until you get the desired result. And you can always reuse this sandpaper. So one is gonna work for the whole car, pretty much. Alright, so now let's take a closer look. I don't know if you guys can see it all clearly, but it was much more clear compared to the first one. I did it on this side too, but you can see on the top I still need to sand it down, maybe from the inside. Right. So now it's very clear. And this one you can see on the top. I need to sand it down a little bit more. And inside too. I will maybe use the polish compound at the end, so everything will look smooth and nice and clear. So this one is the one that I haven't touched yet. You can see it's very cloudy. Alright, this one, I can probably see the difference. Alright, that's pretty much it. All you need is a 2000 grit sandpaper. If you can get, I don't know, maybe like 2500 grit, 3000 grit, that would work too. I would say with a 2000 sand grit, you might leave a little bit scratch on it. I don't know if I made this scratch or the car has it by itself on the body, but the front windshield is looking pretty good. So alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.